It's time to reset the maintenance notifications. So 2 places you need to do this on. One right there and one right there. Let's start it up. Click on Info. Click on Maintenance. Select Engine. You could either touch it or press this Enter button. 5000 is fine. We put synthetic. Click on Reset. Perfect. Now click back. Oil filter. Do the same thing. Reset. Beautiful. Click on this menu. Toggle through it until you see that window right there. Use the dot to select maintenance. This is your enter key. Select whatever it is that you want to reset. In my case, it's the filter and oil. Start with the filter. Enter. Select reset. It highlights it. Enter it again. Right there. And reset. See that? Brings it up to 0. Let's go ahead and click back. Enter. Now let me go to the oil. Enter. Let's reset. Dot and enter key. That resets it to 0. Again, so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Another successful project on our Infiniti QX80, and it was good. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Chat with you guys later. Don't forget to click subscribe. Click that notification bell. Bye for now.